All right, let's break it down. We're going to tackle the formula for mastering that tough CSS essay.
Think of that first sentence as your handshake. You've got to make it firm and memorable. Okay, so you've got 3 hours for a 3,000-word essay. That means you absolutely need a strategy.
So, what's the plan? We're going to follow this exact roadmap to get you ready for success.
Okay, part 1. Your success story starts way before the exam day. Let's dig in. These 4 pillars, they're totally non-negotiable. This is how you build knowledge in pure stamina.
Your arguments have to be sharp. Reading these sources is absolutely crucial for creating real depth.
The real trick is spotting the patterns in past papers. It helps you guess what's coming.
All right, on to part 2, the golden formula. A clear structure just screams confidence.
So look at this breakdown. It tells you exactly where to focus your energy. It's all about the body. Your intro is everything. It needs a great hook and a clear thesis. It's your promise.
And for the body, remember this simple rule: one main idea for every single paragraph. That's it.
Okay, part 3. You've done the prep, now it's game day. Here's how you win under pressure.
This is your game plan for those 3 hours. Stick to it. And whatever you do, don't skip the outline.
See the difference here? Don't be vague, get specific with data to build a killer argument.
And another thing, use the active voice. It sounds so much more direct and confident, right? Now for part 4, let's talk about the common traps and exactly how you can avoid them. The biggest mistake? Jumping in without a plan. Your outline is your map. Don't try to write without it. Mistake number 2 is just telling a story. Remember, your job is to analyze, not just describe events. And please don't just run out of steam at the end. Your conclusion is your final punch. Make it count.
Want to go from good to great? It's these little things. They show you've really thought it through.
So, what's the big takeaway? Don't just write an essay. You're there to build a winning argument.